Hi friends, in the last video we discussed finding the jet transform of unit impulse function, as well as we discussed finding the jet transform of unit step signal. In this video we are going to discuss some more examples on jet transform, representation of ROC, zeros and poles on the jet plane. Next problem is find the jet transform and plot its ROC. The given sequence is x of n equal to n into u of n. Given. So this is the given sequence, x of n equal to n multiplied by step sequence. So with the help of definition of jet transform, x of z equal to summation over the limits minus infinity to plus infinity x of n z to the power minus n. X of n is given, so that one I am going to substitute here, n into u of n z to the power minus n. We know u of n is a what? Unit step sequence. As per the definition of unit step sequence, u of n, uh, u of n is what? U of n is 1 if and only if the value of n is greater than or equal to 0, else it is 0. So with the help of definition of step signal, if you are replacing this u of n by 1, then limits becomes 0 to infinity. Hence I replace u of n by 1, then limits becomes n to infinity, n equal to 0 to infinity, n multiplied by 1 into z to the power minus n. Let us make use of one standard formula, that is summation or limits n equal to 0 to infinity n into multiplied by a to the power n. N is there, and here this term we can express like this, summation n equal to 0 to infinity n as it is z to the power minus 1 to the power n. So here a becomes what? Here a becomes what? Z to the power minus 1. What is the formula? N equal to 0 to infinity n multiplied by a to the power n. That one we are writing it as a divided by 1 minus a whole square, where the mod of a is less than 1. So same thing, a equal to what? Z to the power minus 1. So x of z equal to z to the power minus 1, denominator side 1 minus a, that is z to the power minus 1 whole square. It is of the form 1 minus a whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Numerator is same, so I am simplifying this one by multiplying the numerator and denominator by, because I am going to express the entire term, the entire result x of z in terms of positive powers of z. Because of that reason I am multiplying the numerator and denominator by observing the highest power of z. Here highest power of z is what? Minus 2 is there. Because of that reason multiply the numerator and denominator by z square. So what we got? Z to the power minus 1 z square, it is z divided by z minus 1, z minus 1 whole square. This is about z transform. This is about z transform of the given sequence. Next, calculate the ROC of that. As I told in the last video, this part will give the ROC for that. Here a equal to what? Z to the power minus 1 is there. Same thing I am substituting here. Z to the power minus 1 less than 1. So this one we are writing it as a 1 by z is less than 1. Hence mod of z is greater than 1. As I told, equating the numerator polynomial will give the zeros, and equating the denominator polynomial will give the poles of the system. First find the poles and zeros. Poles. So z minus 1 whole square equal to 0, hence z minus 1 equal to 0, hence z equal to 1. Only we are getting only one pole, that pole is at z equal to 1. Similarly equate the numerator, that is z equal to 0, so only 1 0. We are getting 1 0 and 1 pole. So this is what? This is 0 and z equal to 1, this is pole. And what about ROC? The mod of z is greater than 0. It indicates greater than 0 is indicates that the ROC lies outside the circle of radius 1. So on the z plane, it is z plane. On the z plane, the vertical axis represents imaginary part, the horizontal axis represents real part. On the z plane, we draw a circle having the radius 1, and the ROC lies outside the circles. This shading part indicates ROC of the z plane. ROC lies outside the circle of the radius 1. This is about the this problem. Let us take next example. Find z transform and plot its ROC. for the given sequence x of n equal to n multiplied by a to the power n u of n. It is the given sequence x of n equal to n into a to the power n u of n. We know u of n indicates step signal, unit step signal. U of n equal to definition of unit step signal, u of n equal to 1 if and only if the value of n is greater than or equal to 0, else it is 0. Hence, the same given sequence we can rewrite as x of n equal to n into a to the power n. This amplitude is present for this time n is greater than or equal to 0. Hence, this is the definition of what? Z transform. With the help of definition of zt, we are writing as x of z equal to summation over the limits minus infinity to plus infinity x of n z to the power minus n. Here x of n is given. In this case, we have to substitute x of n has a n to the power, sorry, n into a to the power n, and limit changes as x of z equal to n equal to 0 to infinity n into a to the power n multiplied by z to the power minus n, because we replace u of n by 1, then limit changes from 0 to infinity. Next step is what? X of z equal to n equal to 0 to infinity n as it is. Let us take power term n common, a into z to the power minus 1, power term is n. Same formula we are using what we taken for the previous example. That is formula is summation over the limits n equal to 0 to infinity n multiplied by a to the power n, that is a divided by 1 minus a whole square, where mod of a is less than 1. In this case a equal to what? This is a term, the term which is present inside the bracket acts as a. Hence x of z equal to a divided by 1 minus a whole square, that is a into z to the power minus 1 divided by 1 minus a. A is what? A into z raised to minus 1 whole square. Once again, it is of the form 1 minus a square a minus b whole square formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Observe the power of the z. Highest is minus 2 is there, because of that reason multiply the numerator and denominator by z square. Hence we got x of z equal to az divided by z square minus 2az plus z raised to minus 2 into z raised to square, sorry, z raised to 2, it becomes a square. Hence az divided by, it is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write z minus a whole square. It is we calculated z transform for the given sequence. Let us calculate ROC for that. Mod of a less than 1, here a equal to what? A into z raised to minus 1, this is less than 1. Z raised to minus 1 we can write it as 1 by z, hence a by z is less than 1. Nothing but it will r, z will take other side, so it becomes the mod of a is less than mod of z. Hence mod of z is greater than a, it indicates z is greater than a. This indicates ROC lies outside the circle of radius a. Same thing we are going to represent on the z plane. First calculate poles and zeros of the system. Equate the numerator, that is az equal to 0, hence z equal to 0. Only one 0 is there at z equal to 0, this is 0. Next equate the denominator to the 0, z minus a equal to 0, hence z equal to a. Only one pole, that is here. And what about ROC? ROC lies outside the circle of radius a, hence this shading part will indicates ROC of the z plane.